So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. This must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference?
Who else but Lionel Messi? I don't need to tell anyone what he's capable of. Some critics don't rate him as the best player on the planet. That's because the Argentinian, for me, is on a different planet.
Yeah, hard to see past him. He'll be looking to put on a show, I'm certain of that. Chance to break. Decent looking ball. Gets the better of his man. Goes for goal!
That's a cracking strike, and it may have stung the palms of the keeper.
Dybala. Forward it goes. Ritchie. He gets past his man. Hector Bellerin gets it back. And it's Shelvey. Kimmich tries to get it forward quickly. Messi tried to play it through.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Dybala goes looking. Hayden drives it towards the front. All the way back, and they start again. Hector Bellerin. Kimmich. And if anyone is going to break the deadlock, now would be a good time. Jonjo Shelvey. It's being played forward. Kimmich. Quick ball forward. Messi brings it out wide. Hoists it forward. Wilson could move up a gear here. Going through. Jard gets into the right position to intercept. Yeah. We've reached half-time. Both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. So, your views on the first half?
Well, they look lost for ideas and lacking in talent, which all contributes to a chronic case of impotence.
An engrossing half, but we're still where we started, 0-0. But we're already into the second period.
Well, that first 45 minutes didn't deliver as we'd hoped. Lots of effort, but a lack of quality with the finishing has left us hoping that someone can step up and put it going for goal! It's in! Well, this guy is just not your average footballer. Alert and sharp. And while one or two others were still digesting the manager's half-time team talk, he's already delivering another lead. What a good player.
His position was perfect, the invitation was there for him, and his response absolutely clinical.
Paulo Dybala is the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for them.
Standard Liège take the lead, 1-0.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
Bigo proves too strong there. Clark does well there, alert. And it's played forward. Ritchie plays it forward. Boateng drives it forward. And it's played forward. He's good for it! So here comes a substitution.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
Well, hit and hope is just about the sum of it, isn't it, Jim?
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. Tries to get it forward quickly. Really drilled it.
Well, crucially, he ensured that the shot was kept low and it nearly came off.
The changes then in quick succession. Hoists it forward. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. It's Dybala. Out to the left it goes. Has a pop! Great reaction! Oh, and that should have been two.
Paulo Dybala really thought he'd scored to settle this contest, and he's struggling to believe being denied.
Messi, the regular corner taker. Shooting chance! He has done it! Two ahead, late in the day, game over surely.
An exhibition in how to finish with a minimum of fuss.
Standard Liège get themselves a two-goal cushion. And that'll go straight through to the keeper. Jonjo Shelvey. Vieira is the guilty party there. Pires. Oh, that's a foul, and the whistle's gone.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Shelvey! Messi. Pires. Can he get through? He's played him through. Pires. Hits one! And it's there! And they are cruising away. Oh, that always looked the likely outcome.
Look, the goal was well manufactured, but the striker probably can't believe he's been given that much space in the penalty area. And he wasn't going to miss.
Standard Liège take a 3-goal lead and they are romping out of sight.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Now it's Messi! In it goes! Result no longer in doubt. It's just about how many.
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
Standard. So that's it. It is all over. Demolition, destruction, annihilation. They simply ran away with it. So what do you take away from it all, Jim?
Standard Liège have some very strong runners from midfield, and it's not often you'll see